What's up, everybody? We finally made it to Calgary. We're at the Hotel Riviera. Really nice room, super cheap. We got a great deal. It's like $85 a night, tax included. Let's take a little quick tour. This is the little hallway entering the room. We got a little closet here. We've already got our stuff packed in, iron, a few clothes hangers. Over here we got a microwave, a little sink, and oh yeah, we got a fridge. Anything inside? No, it's nice and cold though. Keurig coffee maker, coffee pods, nice little TV, looks like 32 inches, and the two queen size beds. It feels soft. Let's try it out. Oh, that's nice. Definitely gonna enjoy sleeping here, especially after this took us like 13 or 14 hours driving, not including stops and all that, but it was a fun trip. And we're gonna be here for a few days exploring Calgary. Nice little desk. I can work on my videos well here at night. And let's see the view outside. That's Calgary. It's actually Calgary is a little bit more off in the distance. We're like on the outskirts near the airport, but it's good. I'm very happy with the room, especially the price wasn't that bad. Oh, another window here, and we can even open it. That nice. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Let's see what it's like. Is that the light? Yep. The sink, hair dryer, toilet, tub. In Canada, most places have tubs. They don't have showers, but standard. It's pretty much a standard room. See what the pressure's like. Kind of shitty. I don't know. Maybe it's good. To me it looks like it needs a little more water pressure, but it'll do. Especially for the price, it wasn't bad at all. Free shampoos and soaps and stuff. Well, we just got here. We're tired, so I'm gonna head down, get something to eat, and then maybe explore Calgary a little bit before we go to bed.
Later that same evening.
So we're all getting ready for bed, and look what we find here on the floor. Zoom in. It's a cherry pit. Someone spit out a cherry pit and it's still there. That's so gross. Oh boy, let's see what front desk says about it.
Early the next morning.
So after the cherry pit, we also found, what was it? There's a bottle of sunscreen or something. It was old bottle of sunscreen. It was laying underneath the coffee table. So we complained about that too, and I said, we'll switch you to another room. Now on this one, the AC doesn't work. They're gonna send a maintenance guy, but he doesn't show up for another 30 minutes. He don't come until 9, so we'll go grab some breakfast. So we went down for our free breakfast that's promised with the hotel, and there's nothing but cereal only because of COVID. They can't have a buffet or anything. They can't do eggs or that, I guess, so we're gonna go look for food somewhere else.
Now we are at Korup. The adventure continues.
Maybe we'll even have air conditioner working.
Hopefully. Eventually, the maintenance guy showed up, fixed the AC. Turns out a breaker kicked. Easy fix.
Several days later.
This hotel has been a total nightmare to be in. Just one thing after next. First a dirty room, then we went to the second room that they changed us to, and there was no AC working. They fixed that, and the doors, the key card keeps not working. Every time they blame us, accuse us that we're putting the key card next to our phone, but I worked in a hotel for quite a while, many years. We ran a hotel We know exactly about the key cards. I've never put one next to my phone or any electronic device, and it still doesn't work. It's probably the magnetic strips going. Card's probably old. Then the next problem is they don't clean your rooms. According to them, because of COVID, they don't clean rooms until the end of your stay. But then when you're booking the room, they charge you a $250 fee per day. It's called a COVID sanitization fee, which makes absolutely no sense since they don't clean the room. According to them, that fee they charge so they can clean all the common areas. Like, they should be doing that anyway. That should not be any of the guest problems. We shouldn't be paying for that shit. Makes no sense. In the restaurant, Grill on 26th, it's okay. They've messed up our orders a few times, but I mean, that's no big deal. I definitely would not recommend staying at this hotel, only because we couldn't change. Everything else was super pricey because of the Calgary Stampede this weekend. All rooms were up to 130, 140 bucks the cheapest. But if you're around in Calgary, do not stay at the Riviera. Real total trash hotel. They don't clean your rooms, they're lazy. It's a terrible service. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next video in Calgary.